Welcome to another fun and exciting edition of Math. Today we are going to be exploring Lesson 1-7, Solving with Inverse Operations. What are inverse operations, you say? Well, let me tell you a few things. But first, our guiding question, which you will write down in the blank provided. How are equations solved using addition and subtraction? So guess what we're going to use? That's right, addition and subtraction. Keywords and terms, we have equation, which is two expressions with an equal sign in between to show they're equal. For example, 12 minus x equals negative x plus 12. The second keyword or term that you really need to know is inverse operation, the opposite math operation. In other words, if you do addition, the opposite of that is subtraction. Remember, the opposite of addition is subtraction. Nice you now. Welcome to page 2. To solve a subtraction equation like y minus 15 equals 7, you would use the addition property of equality. Isn't that wonderful? Addition property of equality talks about how you can add the same number to both sides of an equation and the statement will still be true. For example, 2 plus 7 equals 9 is because 2 plus 3 plus 4 equals 5 plus 4. Kind of confusing? Oh yeah, watch this. X plus z equals y plus z. That's crazy, you say. Well, let's look into the next one and see if it really is. There is a similar property for solving addition equations, like x plus 9 equals 11. It's called the subtraction property of equality. In words, you can subtract the same number from both sides of an equation and the statement will be true. For example, 4 plus 7 equals 11. If you take away 3 from both sides, you get 4 plus 4, which is 8. Otherwise, x minus z equals y minus z. Not rocket science here, but it turns into rockets later. First example, example plus 1. Yeah. Alright, 10 plus n equals 18. 10 plus n equals 18. Same thing, letters and words. Now to actually do the problem. To solve this equation, first thing you'll need to do is put in a balance sheet here. This is your fulcrum. This is the balance point between the left side of the equation and the right side of the equation. Well, let's get right to it. Here is our n. That's the one we want alone. So to make it alone, we want to get rid of this 10. It is a positive 10, so we're going to do the opposite of plus, which is minus 10 on both sides, minus 10. 10 take away 10, cancel. 18 take away 10, 8. The n drops down because that's all that's left. N equals 8. And now Miss Hawcom said she would find me through the internets and pull out my nose hairs if I didn't do this right the first time. So here goes. You take the answer and you plug it back in to make sure it works. 10 plus 8 equals 18. And if that's true, you're done. Nice job. Alright, round 2, example 2. 15 plus n equals 29. Same problem that we had before, but different. You'll hear this the whole day. Alright, we have 15 plus n equals 29. We want to get the n alone. So what are we going to move? What are we going to move there, Bill? That's right, we're going to move the 15. Thank you, little Bill. Minus 15, because we have a plus 15. Opposite of plus, minus. Minus 15 on both sides. 15 and 15 cancel. The n's brought down. 29 take away 15. 9 take away 5 is 4. 2 take away 1 is 1. N equals 14. Now, is this true or not? Let's find out. 15 plus 14 equals 29. Yes, it looks like it's true. Go team. Rockin' on. Example 5. 22 equals y minus 11. 22 equals y minus 11. Same thing, different problem. 22 equals y. We want to get the number by the y alone, so we're going to add 11 because it was negative 11. We're going to add 11 on both sides. Opposite of minus, plus. 11 and 11 cancel. Y equals 22 plus 11, 33. Does it work? Let's find out. 22 equals 33 minus 11. It looks like that math works out. So remember, opposite of plus, minus. Are we there yet? Alright, another one. Here we go. 44 equals y minus 23. 44, y minus 23. You see a minus, you do the opposite, which is what? Yes, plus. Plus 23. Plus 23. Cancel. Y equals 67. And of course, to make Miss Howcom happy, here we go. 44 equals 67 minus 23. Look at that, it works out beautifully. Okay, now these are a little more entertaining at least, because they're a little bit life-sized. So here's what we do. Mr. Eisenbrand has 33 kids in his period 1 class. So step 1, write out the equation. So first thing we did, 33 students. So you got to pay attention to that. His period 1 class, 21 are girls. How many boys are there? Let's write this out. There are 33 students total. 21 of them are girls, and we don't know how many are boys. So to find it, standard equation. 1, write it down. 2, identify inverse. This is a positive 21, so we're going to do the opposite. Minus 21. Minus 21 on both sides. Cancel out. 33 minus that would be 2, 12. Mr. Eisenbrand has 12 boys in his class. Plug it back in to finish your equation. 33 equals 12 plus 21, and that would be true. Nice job, everybody. And on to the last, but not quite last slide. Alright, last problem, I promise. Simon loves the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. He's watched every episode he can find online. He has found 27 episodes. Wikipedia says there are 36 total episodes. How many more does he need to find in his Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle quest? Let's find out. So, we have Simon. He's watched every episode he can find online. So he found 27 episodes. Wikipedia says that there are 36 total. How many more episodes does he need to watch or find? Let's go through that. What's the opposite of plus over here? Why, it's minus, of course. Minus 27, minus 27. Cancel. Episode's number would be 9. And to check out our answers correct, we go over here and we go 27 plus 9 equals 36. Now, Simon can have all the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle episodes out there, unless, like in many other things, Wikipedia is not exactly true. Thank you, and that ends our lesson. Please move on to the next page to find your assignment. This is your assignment. First things first, answer the guiding question in your notes. How do you solve addition and subtraction equations? Go ahead and answer that now. I'll wait patiently. 1, 2. Okay, all done. The assignment is page 3738, which you can find online in the online textbook. Numbers 3 through 9, 12 to 24, 34, 35, 49 through 56. Why can't they just pick a straight numbers? But no, they got to pick all kinds of funky numbers for you to go to. So, no, go to the online book if you need to. myhrw.com. Look it up. Other than that, do your math. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.